Hey babe, and in today's video we're gonna get into this look that I am currently rocking. So today we are featuring Nadula Hair. Big shout out to Nadula Hair for sponsoring today's video. So let's get into this look. So today I have a 24-inch lace frontal wig. This is in the body wave texture. She is 150 density. So I decided to style this wig prior to installation. So what I decided to do with this one is I dyed her jet black. After coloring it jet black, I decided to wand curl this hair. So I did wand curl this hair. Added the cute little fishtail braid to this wig. I also did this little cute half up pony, and I'm gonna go ahead and just style it with a side part because there's something about the half up ponies that if it just does not have enough hair, to me it gives off like childish. Just a little bit. Like I always say that, but I don't know. I just feel like it's got to be real full to give that look. To be 150 density, it definitely looked so good. So I love the fact that this hair holds a nice curl. I did have to tweeze this hairline, so keep that in mind that you're going to have to tweeze the hairline. The cap size was on point. If you want additional security, I would suggest to add an elastic band, but I didn't have any issues. Like it fit really well. That is it. I will have all the details for Nadula Hair down in the description box. As I stated, the links for this particular wig will be down in the description box. If you have any additional questions, drop that down in the comments. Any of the products that I use today will be in the description box as well. And I will see you beauties in the next video. Bye!
Yeah, cause girls is players too. Yeah, cause girls is players too. My heart still feels bad. Bitches get money all around the world. Bitches get money all around the world. All around the world. What you know about living on the top? Penthouse suites, looking down on the ops. Took her for a test drive, left them on the lot. Time is money, so I spent it on a watch. Hold on, little titty showing through the white tee. You can see the thong busting on my tight jeans. Okay, rocks on my fingers like a nigga wife me. Got another shorty, shit ain't nothing like me. Yeah, about to catch another fight. Yeah, the apple bottom make him wanna bite. Yeah, I just wanna have a good night. I just wanna have a good night. Hold up, don't know, now you know. If you broke, then you gotta let him go. You can have anybody, any money, no. Cause when you're a boss, you could do what you want. Yeah, cause girls is players too. Yeah, cause girls is players too. Cause girls is players too. Bitches get money all around the world. Bitches get money all around the world. Bitches get money all around the world. Money all around the world. Friday, Saturday. This is the rhythm of the night. That night. Oh yeah. The rhythm of the night. This is the rhythm of my life. My life. Oh yeah. This is the rhythm of the night. That night. Oh yeah. The rhythm.
Girl,